In China's Xi'an, a non-profit coffee barista training program was organized for people with disabilities. The program was initiated in 2019, which have trained nearly 200 people so far. Among them, more than 20 trainees were then employed by coffee shops.
在学员的实际就业的时候，我们发现就是他们在制作咖啡没有任何问题。包括我们的课程内容的设计上，也是除了咖啡制作的这块，还有就是在咖啡馆的行业介绍上，也会增加很多详细的介绍，让他们不光是从那个咖啡的爱好者、消费者，还有咖啡馆的经营，还有供货商的这些角色上，都能有一个新的认识。
Chen Jiayue is the owner of a coffee shop in Xi'an. She was one of the trainees of the coffee barista program several years ago.
看一个喜好的咖啡店，会看一瞬间我自己的梦想，然后看到自己的价值，让自己做得更好。